Welcome back once again to the channel. Now in today's lesson we are going to practice how to uh, draw this basic 2D drawing for beginners. Alright, so let's try and analyze everything and then we start. So you can see we have two circles. This inner circle has a diameter of 20 and then this bigger one is radius of 25, and the interval, the distance between them, is 100 millimeters. And then this arc, okay, over here is having a radius of 90 degrees, sorry, yeah, 90, so a radius of 90. And then this bigger circle here is having a radius of 20 and the inner one 7.5. We have two angles between them, this 30 and this 40. So let's quickly open our AutoCAD and start drawing. So we open and then we select center radius, click anywhere, enter 25 for the bigger one, that is this, okay. And then pick center diameter, enter 20, okay. So now I'll copy this and then just click anywhere on the screen, then drag to your right and then enter 100, okay. So let me add a line like this and then another one. If you like, you can mirror, okay. So from this point, let me do some trimming so that my work don't become messy. Good. So now you can see I'm going to draw this arc with radius 90, okay. So just pick center radius, then click here as your center, enter 90, is that right? And then from here I'll draw a line, a vertical line, okay. So pick the line command. From here just draw a straight line like this, and I'm going to rotate this line at an angle of 30. So there are so many ways you can do it. If you like, you can just draw a line and then use the less than symbol and then enter the angle, or you can just draw a vertical line like this, select it and then use the rotate command, RO for shortcut rotate, click and then see specify base point. So this is my base point, okay. I want to rotate it at an angle of 30 degrees, so click here and you see, yeah, so enter 30 and then I have it at an angle of 30. Now I'll do another one, that is for this one, okay. Now so 30 plus 40 is going to give me 70. So pick a line, draw vertically and then let's select it and then rotate, so 70, okay. Now we have a circle here, radius 20 and then this one also 7.5. so click here, just 20, then second one 7.5, good. Now let's copy, CO for copy shortcut, and paste it here, good. Now at this point I'm just going to draw an axe to make it tangent, okay. So I can just trim this off, okay. And then I'll pick center radius, click here as my center, first one here, press enter to repeat, press enter to repeat again, okay. So at this point I'll do some trimming to make the work a bit clear. Let me delete this unwanted lines. I'll do some few more trimming. Okay, so yeah, now at this point let me delete this. At this point let me trim this one as well, also this, okay. Now delete this one. Now you can see we have an arc here, okay, with radius of 8. So I'll just select tan radius, click here, enter 8, and then I'll trim this part. Now there's another one also here, 20. So tan radius, click here, enter 20, and then we trim further. Okay, so now I can trim these ones. You can see you don't need these ones all over here. Let me do this trimming carefully. Okay, all right, so you can see I would like to change these lines to center lines. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to the layer, then order, just go to load, then look through, you see center. I'll choose a 0.5, select it. Okay, and then select this and this. Okay, and then give it the center line. All right, even if you like, you can change the color to, let's say, something like this, just to differentiate it. Okay, now I'll just make my work a little bit clear by increasing the line width. Let me just reduce this one. Okay, so basically this is what is expected of us, and our work is nice and neatly done. Now if today is your first time of visiting the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and then like the video, and I'll attend to all your questions. Thank you all for watching, and